Once the ADP connector is live and you're set to write back deductions or earnings to ADP, you'll need the connector token. Simply copy this token and paste it into the header. When executing an employee payroll run, the employee's ID is required. To obtain the employees, use the Get Employees endpoint and select the desired employee. In addition, you'll require a payroll file name number, which can be obtained from the raw data. Simply copy the payroll file number and paste it into a payroll file. For ADP, a payroll process name is also necessary. You can type in any name here. The deduction can be written in the same way as earnings. For clarity, let's write the earnings to ADP. Enter BN for the property code, which stands for bonus. Suppose the amount is 0.1. So write amount as the key and 0.1 as the value. Once completed, send the request. If the request is successful, it can be verified on ADP. It will appear under the payroll dashboard. Click on Manage Payroll to view it. Please note, the validation is still pending, so it's crucial to calculate the entries, verify them, and validate them. Choose Auto Balance and click Done. Now it's balanced and you're all set.